So guys, for the first step, once you're on our Microsoft Word document, you just want to put your cursor to where you want to place your PDF file. And now in the top left, you want to go to the Insert tab. Now on the right hand side, you want to click on Object. Now you want to select Create from File. And you want to click on Browse. You want to find where your PDF file is located. For me, it's on my desktop. Once you find your PDF file, you want to double click on it, which will now make it appear here. Now we have some things we could do here. So if you click on OK, your PDF file will appear right here. You can click on it and then open it. That's how you do it. You could also, so if we go to Object, Create from File, choose our PDF file again, you can go either Link to File or Display as Icon. So these are some more options that you can go with. So for example, if you select Link to File and then click on OK, it's now going to put a link to your PDF.